In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable your microphone in Google Chrome vertical bar. How to turn on microphone in Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are on the main browser window so you can access the settings menu without any confusion. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This will open a drop-down list with several browser options. From that list, click Settings. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. After that, click Site Settings. You may need to scroll a little to find the Permissions section. In Permissions, look for the microphone option and click on it. Now you will see the microphone permission settings. Here, select the option that allows sites to ask to use your microphone. This is the setting that turns microphone requests back on in Chrome. When this option is enabled, websites such as video meeting platforms, voice tools, or recording websites can ask for permission before using your microphone. If you leave this turned off, websites will not be able to request access, and your microphone may appear blocked even if it is connected and working properly. Once you have enabled the setting, you can close the Settings tab. The change applies right away, so you can return to the website that needs microphone access and try again. That covers everything you need to know.